3.
My name is Eric and this is Blue Food. So imagine you're in New Delhi. Delicious street food, you can get anything you want on the streets. 1% of the population is employed in serving street food, but the problem is it's not clean. If you look at this picture, you see flies, you see dirt, you see grime. Cleanliness of food and safety food is a big problem in Delhi and we want to tackle that. And here's how. Because we're going to work with the consumer. The consumer has a couple needs. He values clean food, he understands the problem of unsafe food handling practices. He experiences poisoning. 93% of the people we talk to have experienced poisoning within the past year from food. This is a huge problem. And in fact, when consumers get poisoned from food and they get sick, they're unable to get income, they're unable to provide for their families. So they're willing to pay about 25% more for a safe food product. And that's a big deal. There's an opening for us here in solving this issue. So we're going to take an approach that's interesting. We're going to look at New York City. In New York City, if you want to get food, you can look in the window and see whether something has an A level or a B level or a C level inspection grade. The State Board of New York will go through it on places and see how well they're doing in terms of safe food. And if you're doing really poorly, people are going to know about it. So what happens is in places like New York or LA that do this, we can actually observe an increase in food safety and a decrease in hospitalizations due to foodborne illnesses. People are actually getting sick less often when all you do is you share information about whether someone is serving safe food or unsafe food. So what happens is this. The Government Board of Health shares information. Consumers, they go to different places to find safer products. And vendors, losing their consumers, work harder to serve safe food. It's a cycle. It works like this. So in India, the problem is there's no government board doing this kind of work. They're understaffed and underfunded. So we want to replace the government board with Blue Food. We're going to go in and we're going to do the same role of sharing information with consumers. We are a food safety consulting and certification service. A food safety consulting and certification service. So what we do is this. We work with vendors to share information on safe food handling, and then we certify vendors who are complying with standards. They get to put our logo in their window, which shows that they're serving a safe product. Now, meanwhile, we work with consumers, launch advertising that teaches them about our brand and what we do. And we expect consumers to go to these places that are certified and serving a safe product, because that's what they want. They want safe food, they're willing to pay just a little bit extra to get it. So here's the team that's going to make it happen. There's 8 of us, 6 of us are here in Minnesota, and 2 of us are in New Delhi. Me and Anshu are going to go to Delhi, hopefully this summer, to do a pilot study and test some of our assumptions and see if this is all going to work. The other 6 are really committed. They're here in Minneapolis, they're in Delhi, they're supporting us on things like financials and advertising and getting the word out. So we're really excited about this. We think that we can build a new normal, but we need some help. We need $7,000 in pilot funding. We have to raise some of that in Minneapolis. We have to raise it from any supporters we can find. We really think we can do something important here. We can build a new normal. Within 2 years of building a product out, we can make a return on investment and really expand food safety. We're going to start at one street corner. We think if this model catches on, we're going to grow and grow and grow and grow. And who knows what happens.